Hello everyone, welcome to this game. It's called Empire. It's actually called Musk Empire, and then they rebranded to X Empire. This game is actually being supported by Notcoin. If you actually know Notcoin, they actually did create the most, I don't know, let me not just talk much about it, but if you're not playing this game right now, try to click on the link in the description so you can start playing this game right now. It's quite fun game to play, and I'm going to be showing you guys the daily combo, the daily quest, the daily redo, and also the code to today's video just within this video of 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into this one. So the very first thing you need to do once you come into this game is to go over to the investments. So I'm going to show you guys the 3 investments that you actually profit for today's card. So the first card on our list is going to be OnlyFans model. Click on OnlyFans model, and then you have to increase your stake amount, and then click on I'm lucky. So you can see we got that right. The next one is going to be under real estate in Nigeria. Click on it, increase your stake, and then click on I'll be lucky. Okay, so the final one is going to actually be gold mining tools. Click on it, increase your stake, and then just click on that. So right now we're done with the stock exchange. We actually invested and we came out with massive profits. So let's go to the next part of the earning within this game. You can go ahead and just click on this part that says quests. Click on quests. So from here you have a few quests to complete every day. So for this YouTube video, click on it and then go ahead and just click on watch the video. Once you click watch the video, then go back into the game. So as you can see, now we're into the game. Just follow the exact code I'll be putting. The code for this is going to be 6, and then check the code. You can see we're correct. Then the next thing to do in this game is to improve 5 different skills. Click on that and then just increase 5 different skills. You need to improve 5 different skills, because if you try to improve one skill 5 times, that would not work for you. So now we have improved 2. Okay, we have improved only 2, guys. Okay, so I think I have maxed out all of my okay, I can do this one, I can do this 3. Okay, so I'm just 4 and then 5. Let me go ahead and just do 6, and okay, that's gonna be everything for now. Okay, as you can see right now, I was able to upgrade 6. So when I go back into the quest section, I can be able to claim this one. Click on claim and I will be getting that. So for this one, you have to tap 15,000 of this. This is just go back to your home, click on mining, and then make sure you just keep tapping until you've completed 15,000 taps. Okay, so go back to the quest section. I'm able to complete that ahead of prior to making this video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just claim. So after claiming that, they have a daily claim for actually completing all of the daily quests. So go ahead and claim that if you're done. So one very important thing you can also do is to do the riddle of the day. So the riddle of the day today, the answer for this one is going to be called money. Check the answer of this, and as you can see, we got that right. And we can also do the rebus. Rebus of the day is actually going to be the rebus of the day. I think I've done this quite a long time ago, but the answer to this one is just called bullish. If you have not done that, just try to do it. Okay, so if you want to actually partake in this upcoming airdrop from the X Empire, make sure you have actually connected your Ton wallet. Make sure you connect your Ton wallet within this section. Make sure you connect wallets, because the founders and the creators of this game are actually hinting that it will be a very important criteria. Once you're done, click on your daily reward, claim that. Okay, very important. We will be claiming this every day. I will be guiding you guys every day on this game until these guys will be launching. Okay, let's just go ahead and go over to the next one. So I think we are quite done with this game, and you can actually go ahead and just on your own time, you can go ahead and click on income, keep on upgrading your personal skills, your office or your team skills, because all this will be adding up to your profit per hour, guys. All this will be adding up to your profit per hour, because if you have a very massive profit per hour, as you can see from here, the airdrop says the number of token you receive will depend on your total amount of in-game currency you earn throughout the game, your hourly income, so keep upgrading your characters, the number of friends you invited to the game. Okay, so if you are new to this game, as I said before, check the description and join this game right now. See you guys in the next video and have a wonderful day. Peace out.